What's up, DIY queens? It's your favorite vlogger, laurDIY.
Hi guys, and happy weekly vlog. So I am currently on the way to the Ace Family charity basketball game. And also, I was not fully aware of the roster of this basketball game. Ace Family's team versus Chris Brown's team with YG and Lil Pump also in attendance. What? Anyways, so headed over there. I'm super excited. Just saw that James Charles will be there, so haven't seen Sister James in a hot minute. So we'll get to see him, and I'm super excited for that. And then also Tana's birthday is tonight, so just doing all the YouTuber events tonight. In other news, there's a fun little merch bar down there, and you can just like click around and shop, and it's got like all my favorite items and things that are on sale. So literally right below us, happening right now, is the merch bar to go shop, shop.laurDIY.com store. News B is that if you guys haven't seen, Logan Paul is hosting a charity track meet, basically. It's called the Challenger Games or Challenger. I should probably know this. Anyways, I shot him a text and I was like, yo, I'm low-key down to run the 100-meter and possibly the relay. I did track many years ago. I was really fast then. It's been a long, very long time since then. But for a good cause and for charity and stuff, the winner of each event gets to donate to their charity of choice, which is really cool. And there's gonna be fans there and stuff, and I'm super excited. And I'm literally gonna get a trainer for this because I don't like to lose. And also, it's for a good cause, and so I want to win money for the charity of my choice. Also, news C is that if you're going to VidCon, I have an official laurDIY booth at VidCon, and it's gonna be a total merch store, and we're gonna have stuff that's been discontinued on the store. Plushies, we're gonna have plushies. I found some extra plushies. So obviously it's a first come, first serve basis. Mark your calendars for Saturday at the laurDIY booth because I'm gonna be popping in for I think an hour or two to come meet a bunch of you guys. So VidCon, July, I will see you there. Oh my gosh, so yesterday was so crazy. I feel like I am YouTuber evented out. Anyways, I'm at Tiff's house now, and she bought 100 boxes of cereal. So we're here to consume some of her cereal. It's ridiculous. Literally, what are you gonna do with all of this? Ah, it's so much. This s'mores one is so good. Josh and I ate this one. This one's bomb. This one's bomb. That's what I want. What? Yo, I'm down. I'm down. These are also good. A classic. Not down. Not down for that one. Oh my gosh. There's more? Oh, these are the boring ones. Quaker Oats checks. I mess with some Special K. I mess with some Special K. Oh my gosh. I think I want the cotton candy one. Ooh, try it. Yeah, the cotton candy one. Oh my goodness, Zoe. Whoa, I couldn't even keep her in the shot. Oh my god, one more time. Wow, good spin, good spin. Oh my god. Guys, this smells like straight up cotton candy. I am 6 years old and not ashamed of. Okay, we need more spillage happening here. Yeah. Cotton candy cereal with a side of lactate. This cereal party though, like literally just eating cereal on a Sunday night. Okay, this is 120. Hello. Oh, I haven't had honeycomb in so long. Hey Zoe. Okay, Mia made my first bite.
Zoe?
Yeah, no, you gotta get it. There's something weird in there. It might have been the marshmallow. I don't know.
It's like some bites are good, some bites are like,
That was good? I don't know, y'all. This ain't it. Yo, Zoe, what do you think, girl? Good morning, guys. I'm preparing to spend my entire day at the hair salon. This is currently the situation. I think I'll probably just go a little bit lighter, I don't know, and then move my extensions up. I still have those like little beaded extensions there, just kind of for fullness and also to make my hair a little bit lighter without having to super bleach. But I'm hoping that my hair is healthy enough today to go like pretty light, so we shall see. Literally, this is an all-day situation. Like, I packed snacks, my laptop, I'll hopefully get some work done. Currently 9 a.m. I'll check in with you around in another 3 hours or so. Literally, it's just like the whole day. Oh my gosh, we're 3.5 hours in. It's just so much foil, so much foil. Also, for some reason, whenever I'm here, I'm starving and I'm literally not doing anything except breathing. Like, I'm barely functioning as a human. All I do is eat here. But also, we're eating some glasses right now. These are cute, right? So cute. 7 hours later, we've got a chopped salad, nice coffee, some water, another coffee, but we are done. Oh my gosh, she's blonde again. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. Oh So basically, I was hoping to go lighter today, but to be honest, like I just trusted my hairstylist Grace. Go follow her, I'll have her little ad down here. Basically, I just like wanted to go as blonde as Grace would let me go. And it's been, I feel like, vlogging and driving. And I feel like I've just spent so much time in the last probably like 4 to 6 months trying to get my hair to a level of health where I can just bleach the crap out of it and be blonde again. And we back, baby. I'm so excited. I feel like I got stuck at that like weird kind of brassy caramel color for so long because of the undertones of just like the browns that I did and accidentally going like black ones and then going to red, and it was a whole situation. Oh my god, what is this person doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why? It's been a process and a half trying to get back this blonde, but I'm so happy we made it. She blonde. Oh, I love it so much. I just feel like, especially being on camera, I always feel like when I have darker hair, it washes me out so much. I don't know, just like a combination of being a little bit tan right now and having the light hair. I love it so much. Also, tell me why these are the types of curls that like I'll just never ever be able to recreate by myself, and like only a hairstylist can make my hair look and feel this good. Even though I am blonde, I still have a lifelong journey of hair masks and purple shampoo ahead of me to make sure it stays this color. It's like really common, I feel like, for Asian hair especially to have like a warm undertone, and it just takes so long to bleach it out. That's my hair journey, but I'm so happy with it. Just a whole 8-hour day spent sitting on my butt ordering 3 rounds of Postmates and lots of Starbucks, and I'm finally headed home. This is like not the greatest timing though, because it's currently 5 p.m. in LA, and 5 p.m. to get home in LA means double the time in traffic, so that's super fun. It's okay, I'm gonna put on a podcast and just head home. Yay! I'm blonde again! Eee! Oh my god, every time I see myself in a mirror or like in the viewfinder, I'm like, oh my god, I'm blonde! Oh my god, I forgot! I literally scared myself after I went to the bathroom today. I was like, oh, jeez, who's that? Anyways, I am gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me for a bit of my week. I had some bomb pasta and meat sauce. Culinary skills are really starting to come through. I think I'm like inching my way towards being an adult who can kind of function in the kitchen, which has been really cool. Tomorrow morning, I am going to my first training session for this Challenger Games thing. Basically, my manager has a friend who is a track coach, and I'm gonna see if I still have it in me to run 100 meters. But he is like crazy fit. I'm super nervous. I'm like really nervous, and I'm gonna be vlogging the whole process. I haven't decided if I want to just include it in the weekly vlog, since it'll probably be like a weekly thing, or if I should save it for just one video at the end so we can see the progress over one video. I think maybe one video makes more sense. Anyways, stay tuned for that. That's definitely totally why I had pasta for dinner today, because like carb loading, right? Almost. Why? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't caught the last episode of DIY Master, that went up on Sunday, and I tattooed a real tattoo on JP. I don't know what the heck he was thinking, but that happened. So if you haven't seen that, that'll be linked in the down bar below, and I will see you guys on Sunday for a new Sunday DIY. Oh, wait, no, sorry, no. Okay, so this Sunday, Sunday DIY, Sunday after, or Saturday after, Cimorelli collab coming at ya super soon. I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday DIY, and again, I will see you on another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.